Hey there. Ever found yourself having trouble getting out of a chair or feeling unsteady while simply walking across a room? Most people chalk this up to just getting older, but what if I told you it's actually an early sign of something else? It's not just a part of aging, it's a condition called sarcopenia, which is the silent loss of muscle mass that creeps up on us. This happens without any pain or visible swelling, so you don't even notice it until you're struggling with basic movement. But don't worry, there's good news. We're not helpless against this decline. In this video, I'll reveal a simple yet powerful solution. Just 3 key vitamins that can help you regain your leg strength in a surprisingly short amount of time, all without resorting to intense physical therapy or strenuous exercise. We'll delve into the science behind how these nutrients work, why a deficiency causes your legs to feel heavy and weak, and the best way to combine them for a fast and safe recovery. Stick around because at the end, also share a simple vitamin regimen that you can follow, which most people completely miss. So, why does this happen? The 3 main culprits are vitamin deficiencies, poor circulation, and a decrease in physical activity. As we age, our stomachs produce less acid, which makes it harder to absorb crucial nutrients like vitamins D, B12, and B1. These vitamins are vital for proper muscle contraction and nerve signals. Slower circulation means your leg muscles get less oxygen and minerals, leading to fatigue, heaviness, and frequent cramping. While regular exercise is important, your muscles can't fully recover and rebuild without the right nutritional support. The good news is, by replenishing these 3 essential vitamins, you can significantly boost your leg power in a matter of days. Vitamin D3. The master switch. Most seniors don't get enough vitamin D3, and it's a game changer for leg strength. Think of it as the master switch that reactivates your entire skeletal, muscular, and nervous system. After 60, your body's ability to produce this nutrient from sun exposure dramatically decreases as your skin gets thinner and your liver and kidneys slow down. Without enough D3, your muscles deteriorate, your legs feel heavy, and you start to lose your balance. Why is it so important? Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium for strong bones, but it also ensures your muscle fibers contract properly, improves nerve signaling, and most critically, prevents muscle atrophy. Without enough D3, your body becomes like a rusty old machine, weak and unsteady. The science. A study from the University of Birmingham found that adults over 65 who took just 800 IU of vitamin D3 daily for 5 days saw an average 19% increase in leg strength. Research from Harvard also shows that older adults with low D3 levels had a 40% higher risk of falls. Dosage and intake. Experts recommend 801,000 IU daily for healthy adults over 60 and up to 2,000 IU for those with a history of falls or fragility. Take it in the morning with a meal that contains healthy fats like eggs or avocado, since D3 is fat-soluble. Never take it before bed as it can disrupt sleep. Getting enough from food alone is difficult. For example, 1 large egg has only about 40 IU, while a fortified glass of milk has around 100 IU. This is why a supplement is often the most reliable option, especially if you have osteoporosis, joint pain, or spend little time outdoors. Vitamin B12. Restoring nerve and balance. Vitamin B12 is often overlooked, but it's one of the most vital nutrients for adults over 60. While it's known for boosting energy and memory, its most crucial role is in the communication between your brain and muscles, particularly those in your legs. It keeps your reflexes sharp, your movements coordinated, and your nerves healthy. When B12 levels drop, this connection becomes foggy, and the first signs often show up as tingling, numbness, or a feeling that your legs aren't listening. Why the deficiency? The 2 main reasons are poor absorption and dietary restrictions. As we age, our stomach acid production decreases, making it harder to extract B12 from food. Additionally, B12 is found almost exclusively in animal products like meat, fish, and dairy, making plant-based diets particularly vulnerable to deficiency. The science: a study from Oxford University found that seniors with low B12 levels walked slower, had poorer balance, and were twice as likely to fall. In another study, seniors who took a B12 supplement reported improved lower body strength, quicker reaction times, and reduced numbness. Dosage and intake: a daily dose of 501,000 mg of methylcobalamin is both safe and effective for seniors. Methylcobalamin is the active form of B12 that your body can use immediately without conversion. Take it with lunch or in the morning, avoiding coffee or tea as they can hinder absorption. A supplement is the most sensible option for most seniors, especially if you take acid blockers, have diabetes, or follow a low-meat diet. Vitamin B1, thiamine, is the energy fuel. If B3 is the switch and B12 connects the lines, then vitamin B1, thiamine, is the electricity. It's the final piece of the puzzle that fuels your muscles. Without it, your muscles simply can't function, no matter how strong your bones or sharp your nerves are. Thiamine is crucial for energy metabolism, converting carbohydrates into usable energy, called ATP. Your legs, as the largest muscles, require a constant supply of this fuel. When you're deficient, your legs feel heavy, tire quickly, and recover poorly. The science: a 2021 study from Tokyo University found that nearly 30% of elderly participants had low B1 levels, and these individuals were more likely to move slowly and complain of muscle fatigue. After taking supplements, the majority showed a noticeable boost in energy and walking distance. Dosage and intake: the recommended daily dose is 1.2 ml for men and 1.1 ml for women, but doctors often recommend 50-100 ml for seniors experiencing weakness or fatigue. Thiamine is water-soluble, so any excess is safely removed by your body. Take it in the morning with breakfast to fuel your muscles for the day. In summary, feeling weak and unsteady isn't just a part of aging. It's often a sign of a fixable problem. By supplementing with vitamin D3 to strengthen your bones and muscles, vitamin B12 to improve your nerve function and balance, and vitamin B1 to fuel your muscles, you can restore your strength, mobility, and independence. Taking action now is always better than waiting. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever noticed these symptoms? Have you tried any of these vitamins before? Share your story in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on senior health. Let's take back our strength, one strong stride at a time.